Hey guys, so this is going to be a quick video just to show you how to add a pocket for a filter. I've had a lot of customers that ask me about this, so I'm going to show you. This is using the Mimi G pattern that I have in my previous video, so you can check that out to see how I got to this point. So the idea is still you're going to pin. What I'm going to do is actually leave a 2-inch gap on one side and about a 1.5 inch on the other. One video that I saw, they actually had a gap on just one side, but I am such a Virgo and I'm like, I need that thing to be straight. So the idea that I'm doing here is I'm actually measuring about 2 inches and then I'm going to skip and then actually pin again. And so the idea, what you're going to do clearly is you're going to sew to that second pin, skip, pick your needle up, cut your thread, and then you're going to sew again to the end. And then, of course, you're going to back stitch, and then that'll create your gaps in your mask. I guess my idea of having the two pockets is so, like I said, you can actually straighten it out, because just having the one side will kind of limit you onto how that is in there. Because if it's all folded up, then you're going to have a big old mush in the front of your face looking like you got a roll of toilet tissue in your face. Okay, and from this point, you'll go to the sewing machine, sew that right on up. Then you're going to come back, flip that inside out, and then you're going to give this a nice iron. I used to say iron because I'm Southern. So from this point, you're going to follow the same steps that you did to close the mask, as far as folding in the sides, getting those down, all that good stuff. It's the same thing. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible for y'all, so bada bing, bada boom. Shameless plug. I know y'all like, oh my God, where you get that African fabric from? Boom, didn't get it from anywhere because I made it. So yeah, shameless plug again. If you want this mask, I actually do have this for purchase on my website, which is www.nomeliadesigns.com. And it's actually the same name as my YouTube. So you're welcome to support and get that. I also have inserts for what is that stuff called? I didn't forgot what it's called. Batting, yeah, that stuff, or actual filters. Okay, so bam, it is all together now. A lot of people are like, look, Trinity, I don't have no elastic. What should I do? Here's a solution for you. So this is showing you guys the openings where you can actually have the opening on the left and on the right. And once that's pressed against your face, you do not see these openings. One thing that you can do is once you wash, I would give this another iron just to make sure that it's nice and crisp as it is when you first get it. So here we go with the string. What I have here is about 1 yard of fabric where I've cut this into strips. This is a two-way stretch. But I got one that's firmer. So you don't want something that stretches so much to where it does not stay on someone's face. So like I said, I did 1 yard, and I'm doing this the exact same way that I would do the elastic according to my previous video. So what you do is bring that around, loop it on around and all that good stuff, and create the same idea. So this one, of course, would tie in the back at the bottom, as opposed to having the two elastic pieces sealed. Now, if you're a person that prefers the elastic, you can totally do this. And then once you are able to find elastic that does not exist anywhere right now, you can simply change it back to the elastic. But the one great thing about this mask is that you can you can get creative. You can use shoestrings, anything that is able to make this mask stay on your face. That is the end goal. Now, what I do at the end is I tie it into a double knot. A lot of times it don't do well, but that's all right. And then I cut the end just to give it that nice, clean, crisp look. So this is what I do for all my masks right now. Every mask that I am selling, this is the process. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this helps you guys. Remember, wear a mask. Doesn't matter who look at you, but hey, you might as well be fashionable doing it. Take care.